Hello everybody, this is Omar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to remove card from limited PayPal account. So before we dive into the video, there is a link in the description of this video using which you can easily donate to our channel. So that is going to be super amazing if you actually do that. Alright, so let's just hop onto the process. So the straightforward answer is that you cannot remove your card from a limited PayPal account. So basically, sadly, you cannot. PayPal freezes any bank accounts cards to prevent you being tempted to try and open another PayPal account with them again. So that's their security system that works for prevention against multi-accounting, or the people who just simply create a lot of accounts and do the spamming and all that stuff. So this is to prevent unethical practices that are people doing online to maybe different type of benefits and hacking or stuff like that. So you cannot, guys. So unfortunately you have to go any other way around, but if you are looking for it to do not waste your time, because that's not simply possible. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it for this video, and see you around the next couple of videos. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. That is going to be super amazing. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.